lovely, so welcome back. So in today's video I'll be doing a quick try and haul for you guys, and it's going to be featuring some sundresses from ASOS. You guys know how I feel about ASOS, and they have been killing it. Well, they have been killing it forever. But yeah, I found some nice sundresses that you guys might be interested in because it's summer, and summer calls for sundresses because we want to get those nice legs out, and we want to get them nicely tan, and we want the sun to shine on them and all of that, honey. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and try them on quickly and sort of describe like how they feel, the texture, the stretch, so on and so forth. So I do hope you enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first dress is this one right here, and it's from PLT, Pretty Little Thing, but ASOS stocks all different types of brands, but this one is from PLT, and I'm going to need PLT to stop with this piece of string because it was really hard for me to get into. Anyways, love the dress. It's sort of like an orange color, and it has these nice flowers on it, and then at the front right here it has sort of a slit like so it kind of shows a little bit of leg but not too much. Then it has this bit right here. I think I will have to wear a bra with this so my little girls don't slip through, but it's such a gorgeous dress. Around the waistline right here is a little bit, it's a bit snug, so I'll have to work on my midsection area, but it's a really nice dress for summer. Imagine you wear this with, some sandals or some wedges. Beautiful. And the material is like, I would say it's like silk. It feels like a silky material. Okay, so next up we have another floral dress from, I think this is also from Pretty Little Thing. As you guys can see, I am a sucker for florals. I love for anything that's floral, and this one, the base of it is black, as you can see, but it has like yellow and white and green flowers. And I just think that it's such a gorgeous dress. If you want to like go out, like a brunch, you can pair this with some sandals, or even you can wear these with some lovely heels for like an evening out as well. It's a really nice dress. It comes just a bit above the knees. It's not too short, so if you're a little bit on the conservative side, then I'd say this would work for you. And then the sleeves, as you can see, the sleeves are quite big, and then it has this sort of, I don't know what you call it, but I'll give you a better description of the dress on the screen so you can see, what it's exactly called. And then you have this V-cut right here, which is very sexy. Usually I'd wear a bra with this, but just for the purpose of the video, I did not put a bra on. TMI, I know, but look at the dress, you guys. It's a bit tighter on here, as you can see. Yeah. And it has a zipper off the back. Okay guys, so next up we have another floral, of course. It wouldn't be summer if it's not floral, but I love this dress. It's from the brand called Fashion Union. I'm not very familiar with them, but this one is so gorgeous. It has a little tiny slit right here, nothing too much, and then it has this kind of boxy bit right here, and then it has a zipper at the side right here, which makes it easy to get on. But it's such a beautiful dress. I love the pink flowers on it. It's so girly and feminine, and it definitely screams summer. and it's at the right length. It's not too long and it's not too short, which I really love, especially for summer. You don't want to look too hoish. So yeah, I really like this one. It's really nice, and the material is quite, it doesn't stretch, but it has a really nice fit, and it's not too tight on the body. It fits the body just right. So this is another dress that you can wear like for brunch or like an afternoon out with the girls or with your boo, whoever. But yes, I think this is such a gorgeous sundress for summer. Okay, so guys, something that's not floral. I know you guys are probably thinking, oh, is that all she wears, floral stuff? But no, I also wear one color as well. Anyways, this piece is one of my favorite pieces, and this is from ASOS brand. It's a lovely green, and it has like the little frilly bit there, and then it's like off the shoulder, and then it comes up here, and it has this bit right here, which I love. Yes, yes, yes. I just love how girly and playful this is. I wish they had it in different colors, because I would have picked up every single color in this dress. It's so comfortable, and it stretches so it doesn't cling to your body and make you uncomfortable. So this is really, really a nice one for summer as well. Pity they didn't have it in other colors. But yeah, I do like green, so I went for this one as well. It's quite a cute dress. I love the shoulder details, and of course long sleeves, so it's more, you know, for days that are a little bit cooler than usual. But I love, love, love this detail right here. It's sort of like peekaboo, you know. So it's like party over here and like work over here, you know what I mean? Very, very stunning dress, and the sleeves are not that tight on your skin. Quite long enough as well. Super gorgeous. Very, 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 very summer friendly. And then of course, a haul is not complete without a black dress, and this is from ASOS brand. It's a black skater dress. I don't know about you, but skater dresses have always been one of my favorite things to wear. It doesn't matter, you know, what season or what time of year it is. I absolutely love skater dresses because they always make you look so feminine and girly. I love this one because it's got the button detail down the front. You can't really open the buttons, it's just for style. And then the sleeves look like that, which I think is very, very nice, and it's not tight on the body as well. And then you've got this sort of curve at the front right here, which exposes a lot of the chest area. So I think that's quite different. And of course it's mini. Let me turn the back. So yes, this is one of my favorite ones as well. I really, really love the style of this skater dress. It's not your boring average skater dress. Yes, yes, lunch, here I come. Okay guys, so the last piece I want to show you is this maxi dress. I know it's meant to be a sundress haul, but I had to show you this maxi dress. I cannot figure out how to put this dress on, but I'm just going to show you how beautiful this dress is. It's like a leopard print, black and green, like, you know, neon green. It's such a long dress, you guys. Let me see if I can show you how it looks. I still don't know how to fix the back of it. I will have to look at the picture and see how the girl fixed it. But this is the front. It has this little peekaboo action going on right here, and then it has this little ringlet thing, and it shows a lot of your shoulders, which I think is quite gorgeous. And I love the back detail. As I said, I don't know how to fix it. I haven't fixed it properly, but this is how the back looks, you guys. Yes, so that is the dress. It's such a beautiful dress. I don't know what this material is called, but of course I'll leave it on the screen so you guys can see exactly what kind of material it's made from. But if you're going to like a beach, a pool party, or you're going to the beach or something, this dress would be perfect. If you're going to lunch where there's the beach or there's a pool, this dress would be perfect as well. So I really like how it looks, and I love the back. Alright lovely, so that's the end of my sort of try on haul from ASOS, and these are some of the sundresses they have. You have to be quick about it because they sell out so quickly. So if there's something that you liked from what you saw on your screen, I would say go ahead and check out ASOS right now, right this minute, because they sell out so quickly. They have amazing stuff, so make sure that you go and check them out. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. If you did, let me know which was your favorite dress as well. And of course, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video from Shaunz World. I do hope you enjoyed this try on haul, and if you want to see it more like this, let me know as well in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.